Hello everyone, this is your friend Tarot Card Reader Prajakta Patil, and today I'm here to do your weekly tarot card reading for the week starting from 26th of April 2021 till 2nd of May 2021. We are going through a very difficult era. I request you, all of you, to please help everyone that is coming across asking for help, or it might be a very small help. Please go beyond your boundaries and help those guys, because you never know that you might be in that situation. So just feel how they must be feeling right now, because they are dealing with this COVID. Their families are getting infected, they are all separated because of this disease. Some of them are hospitalized, they are not getting oxygen, or they're not getting beds, they're not getting ventilators. So please understand what they are going through. So better than just forwarding wrong messages or wrong information, if we kindly help them physically, mentally, we can just support them anyway. Okay, so please do not miss that opportunity, because it will always give you blessings, right? So please help each other, and we will fight this situation very soon. Okay, so we will start with the weekly reading. Okay. All right, so we will start with the first aspect, which is the love relationships. This is the card that we've got, which is Ace of Pentacles. Always remember, even if you have to let go of something, there are going to be opportunities, there are going to be better ways in your life. So we can see that many of us are going to it might be a very sad situations for somehow, because some of us might have to let go of their partner or their loved one, because there might be differences, or whichever reason behind that. But you always have to remember, even if this situation is going to be quite painful for you, always remember that there is going to be some better aspect. Okay, so please do not lose hope. It might be a case that that person is not made for you. Okay, so just let it be, and what I feel is the better one will definitely come to you, and you will have a very happy life ahead with that person. Okay, so this is how the Ace of Pentacles tells us. Also, what I feel is, through this new person you will get more opportunities, you will progress in your personal life as well. So that is always a very good prospect. Okay, so please do not lose hope in this case, right? Now we will move on to the next aspect, which is career life, and we can see Queen of Wands. Okay, and the second card is angelic card. Is it's up to you. So it tells us that a woman in your career life, it might be your boss or your colleague at a superior level. What I feel is that person is going to create some issues in your career life. So please, it's up to you whether you have to take it negatively or not. Better take it positively, use it for your own progress. If that person is quite um, in a harassment mode, or say that person is giving you some trouble regarding your work, or not letting you work with your own peace, please tell them very nicely that this is going to be an issue if I keep on having this kind of behavior from you. I might not be able to work, and I think this kind of conversation between you and that person will help you a lot. So it's up to you whether you have to take it in a angry mode or a happy mode. Okay, better take it in a happy mode and you will be out of it. Okay, so please remember, you have to just trust your instincts, trust your intuitions, and be happy. Okay, everything will be fine. Okay, now we will move on to the family life aspect. Now this is the card, the Tower card. It looks as a destructive phase. Yes, there might be situations wherein you will be confused, you will be surrounded with lots of problems, but that is not the end. You will always have opportunities to get out of it. Okay, so see, the situations will come and it will always be the part of our life. Okay, we have to just look for the opportunity with which we will just solve that issue and we will come out of it. So please, 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 even if you see situations, because we are already going through a very, very difficult phase of our lives, uh, please do not lose hope. Okay, you have to just fight with the entire strength that you have, and you have people around you to help you. Okay, so seek help, do not let it be your own stress. People will help you, so please look for that opportunity and solve that issue. Okay, all the best for that. Now we will move on to the fourth aspect, which is children. See, there are opportunities coming in for your children, whether it is for exploration of new subject, or say new hobby or new passion. Let them learn. Okay, don't think that your kids won't be able to survive that phase, or they will fail and they will not be able to grasp that new skill. Okay, please do not worry, because the second card is clearly telling us no need to worry about it. Okay, your kids are quite wise and they will take care of themselves. This is how it tells that we need to let them work on their own, because if we keep telling them or if we keep guiding them every time, they will not take their own decisions, right? Okay, now as we have started it from the last week, we will go for the outcome card, and this is the Four of Wands, and it is a celebration mode. So whatever we have learned today, what is going to happen in the next week, please remember, even if you are going, even if you're going to be in a bad phase during this week, always remember the end of this weekend you will be having a celebration mode. You will be out of all those troubles. Okay, so please remember that it is going to end. This clearly tells us that even if you fight, even if you face such situations, you will be out of it. So better be in a very patient mode, be in a calm mind, and have that peaceful mind. Okay, so that you can just be intellectual regarding that phase, and you can take wise decisions. Okay, to just solve that problem. Please, please, please do not be angry, or do not panic in this phase, because this is going to test you a lot. Okay, and it is for everyone. So please, please, please do not worry about anything. It is meant to be in life, because this is called as life. We can't just have good days or good times in our life. We have to fight some bad phases as well, and this is how we know that we have that strength and we will get through it. Okay, so this is it. This is for the next week. And for tarot card reading and ancestral healing or other prosperity rituals, please contact us on 8451 872244. Thank you. Stay blessed.